High scale guys, today we have Massload crane scales, lots of like this, and remote WL-8600. So to calibrate these crane scales, you need to open the remote, and here you can see the button. You should push this button and it goes to F0. To calibrate these scales, you should move it to F1 and press 0 button. This is our first point of calibration. We will have 5 of them. You can have 2, 1, as much as you can. I will use 5 because it's 50,000 pounds capacity and I will calibrate it each 10,000. So now I'm calibrating 0 by pressing enter button. It was F1. Now I push to F2 and press 0 button. And now I should put the first weight on this load cell. So I'm putting something about 10,000. It will be like this, enough. 10. And now I push in on off button, I press and I make it 1. Then I press gross net, I make it 0. Then I make it again. Now I should put 7 and again. Now I should put 5 by pressing on button and again 0, and I have 10,750. 10,750 and I push enter button. Then I push Terra button and go to the next point of calibration. It will be about 20,000. So now I have 20. I press 0 button. And I put 2, then gross net 20. Then again, now I need 5 here, and 0 and 0, 2500. I have 20, 510, 500, and I push enter button. Then I go and press Terra, and this will be our next point of calibration. And it will be about 30. It will be something like this. So I press 0 button again. I press 3, gross net 0. Now I need 8 here. Again 5 here. Okay, 30,850. Okay, and here we have, and now I press enter button. Then we go to F5. It will be our next point of calibration. It will be about 40. About 40 like this, it's okay. So I press 0 button. And I need 4 here. Then I need 1. Then I need 4 again. 4 again. And I need 5 and 0. So I need 41, 450. And I have 41, 470, 460, and 41, 450. I press enter. Now we go to F6. It will be the last our point of calibration. It will be something about 50,000 pounds. It will be something like this. So I press 0 button. Now I need 5 here, 5 here, 0 here. I will make it 5, 0. I will make it again because I missed a little bit. So I'll make it again. It will be 5, 0. Zero, 0. 50, 31, 50, 30 and press enter. And it was the last point of our calibration. So now we need to go to F20 and save our calibration. We go F20 by pressing these buttons. Press 0 button, save, enter. Sure, of course, saved. 50,000 to 20, 50,000 to 10, 50 to 10, because it's counting by 20, it's counting by 10. So it's baying on. That's all. If you need something about the skills, guys, let me know.